right, guys, today we want to talk a little bit about cavity wax, and more specifically, we want to talk about the importance of having a 360-degree coverage when using an applicator wand on the cavity wax. Now, it's important because we need to get into all these little nooks and crannies that are inside the frame rail. So, to do that, we're going to use our cavity wax with our wand kit here, and we're going to show you what that looks like from an outside perspective. We have a clear mock-up of a frame rail here. We're going to apply the cavity wax inside and show you what it looks like from this perspective. It's important to point out here that I did only apply one coat. The idea with this video is that I wanted to show you guys that we get 360-degree coverage with our application. One thing I do want to point out is our directions for use recommend 2 to 3 coats of cavity wax. We want to achieve a 30 mil consistent build inside that cavity. That combined with the 360-degree coverage with our applicator wands, you can see that we get good, solid, consistent coverage inside those enclosed spaces. For more on this and other cavity wax related topics, please visit our website at 3M Collision Repair Academy. The link for our website is in the description below. Also, check out some of our other YouTube videos. Click like and subscribe on the channel below. Also, hit the notification bell next to it. That'll keep you up to date when we release new videos so that you have the most up-to-date information for industry best practices, tips, tricks that we're going to be releasing. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Add some comments down in the section below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.